there's a lot of SaaS software solutions out there. If I go to Google and I go safety software or help my company, blah blah blah, um, a lot of them are saying similar things on how they help. So, can you explain what makes Goal Zero different from other safety management systems that are out there?
Yeah, absolutely. And you're right. When you Google something, you're going to find so much information, which is great. Also overwhelming, right? So, like I said, from a consultant standpoint, I used to use a bunch of these tools and I used to have to smash them together to make myself a suite of software. So, when you type in safety management software, you're going to get everything because everyone has a keyword that's, their SEOs hit that and they're popping up, but they might only be an element of that solution. So we have form applications, right? Some people still do paper forms. Some people want to digitalize their forms. There is specific form apps out there. We have learning management systems, right? So we look at the LMSs. Well, they have online training. We have management systems. We have all of these kind of elements, and some will do some things, some will do others, but we don't really have a full suite of what that was. And that's where I wanted to make my solution all encompassing. So when we look at ISO or core, right, depending on your jurisdiction that you work in, they're auditable processes, and they plan, do, check, act. We want to give that foundation that it's all there. So when we made Goal Zero, we made data management, learning management, form automation, legislation, everything to prove due diligence for your company wanted to be in one spot when we looked at that legislative compliance. The other aspect is we have, like I mentioned, documents. So any tool that I ever used will say, hey, this is how you upload a document, or this is what you do. We wanted to make sure that we had fully compliant manuals for industries to utilize. So again, when we looked at the consulting side, this is a tens of $20,000 a hit usually when you talk to a consultant to build me a program, right? No, we've built it over and over and over again. Let's give it to people. So, the last time we looked, we had 4,700 different policies and procedures for different industries, different jurisdictions in our software for companies' regular reviews. The other aspect is we also did tie in our consulting. So in it, you have a professional marketplace where you can access professionals at a fractional level or an as needed level as well. So really, when you went here, it was Goal Zero, when we talk about zero instance, environmental impacts and property damages from a safety standpoint. Our Goal Zero was, look, you don't have to go anywhere else. It's here. We're here to support you in a holistic approach that makes sense to your business. And I think that's what makes us stand out even more than our competitors that are just a widget or a tool to do a thing. We have a full encompassing solution.